Everyone, myself Ankita. Today we will be discussing about some important questions on electrical measurement from the question bank. Previously we have also discussed about some questions on electrical measurement. If you have not watched that video, then you can go and check that video. So we will start from the first question. Our first question is the instrument for measuring AC only. We should know that if the question will be the instrument for measuring DC only, then the answer will be PMMC type. But for AC only, induction type instruments are suitable for these. So option D will be the correct answer. If there will be DC, then PMMC type will be the correct answer. But here is AC, so induction type is suitable. Now second question is the difference between the measured value and true value is. We should know that error is the difference between measured value minus true value. Option B will be the correct answer, error. Now moving towards the third question, the smallest will be used. The smallest value that can measured by the measuring instrument is called the smallest value. The in resolution, it says that the least value that can measured by the measuring instrument is known as resolution. So here option D will be the correct answer. Now in fourth question, high AC voltage are usually measured by. High AC voltage are usually measured by voltmeter, PTS with voltmeter. Option B will be the correct answer. Which of the following instruments can be used both for AC and DC? We should know that PMMC type instruments are only used for DC. These are only used for AC, and these are both used for DC as well as AC. So option C will be the correct answer. Now in sixth question, the measuring range of a voltmeter can be extended by using. We should know that measuring range of voltmeter can be extended by high series resistance, and if so here answer will be D option. The question, because the question is measuring range of voltmeter. If I have extend the range of voltage, then we will use high series resistance. Now in seventh question, if the damping torque is more than the critical damping, the instrument is. If damping torque will be more than the critical damping, than the required damping, then the instrument will be over damped. The instrument will be over damped. Now in eighth question, the best method to measure the power in three-phase balanced delta circuit is. In three-phase balanced delta circuit, we usually use 2 wattmeter method. Option A will be the correct answer. This is the best method to measure the power in three-phase balanced delta circuit. Three-phase balanced delta circuit. In three-phase balanced delta circuit. Now in ninth question, the induction type wattmeters can be used for measure. This question is very important, so it is very repeated, as we have seen from the in question previous questions. This is also in this question. The induction type wattmeters can be used for. The induction type wattmeters are only used for AC power, and PMMC are for DC power, and induction type are used to measure AC power. B option will be the correct answer. Now in 10th question, creeping in a single phase induction type energy meter is due to. The creeping of a single phase induction type energy is due to overcompensation of friction. If friction is applied more and more, then creeping can be occurred. So option A will be the correct answer. So here our 10th questions completed. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.